Hey everyone, welcome to Optimistic Science, where curiosity meets positivity. I'm Yug Badgave, and in each video, we'll explore the wonders of science, uncovering amazing facts, and tackle tough questions all in one optimistic look. Whether you're a science enthusiast or just looking for someone inspirational, you have come to the right place. Let's dive in. So today's topic is how AI influences us in the future, how it will transform our job market, our aspects of living. So let's dive in it in today's video. So we have different contents which you can look at here. So we'll move it one upon one. So what is AI? The first step is that before telling to me AI, how AI will change the future, first explain what is AI. So AI is basically the intelligence of machines, how machines can interpret the data and then try to analyze different outcomes from that particular data that is previously done by humans, that is mimicking by machines, and that type of thing is called a artificial intelligence. How machines are programmed to think and learn like humans is called artificial intelligence. So we have various different contexts of AI. AI will change our future in various different aspects. There will be a technological aspect where it will change how we interact with the different technologies, and there is also a socio-economic aspect where it will change our job market, impact efficiency, impact governance rules, and everything. So let's have a deep dive in those. So AI in daily life, how AI change how we interact with different devices in daily life. You must have used personal assistants like we can say Google Gemini or Amazon Alexa, Google Apple Siri. So these type of AI assistants do all different tasks we told them to do in just a matter of minutes, which sometimes take a little more time for humans to do manually, which are done by these assistants in a quite a fast manner. These type of things are AI is coming to us and increase efficiency. We have also heard about smart homes, like the homes where various devices are connected by Amazon Echo, Google Home, etc. The bulbs are connected to that. The fans are connected to that. ACs, different appliances are connected to these smart devices and can be operated on just a matter of speaking and talking to the smart device. This is the use of AI and how it can detect what we are speaking and then transcribing it and generating outcomes from that. That are the uses of different AI softwares. AI will obviously change the interaction with the transportation in a very big manner. We have also always heard of autonomous vehicles like the self-driving cars Tesla has introduced. So these self-driving cars use artificial intelligence for navigation, obstacle detection, and response time reducing, aiming to reduce human errors and road safety. Yeah, there will be still some issues here, like there may be some malwares, malfunctions, or bugs that may arise in different AI softwares while driving a vehicle, which should be a little point of concern. But we are continuously working upon to improve on the fact. We know that why traffic occurs. So there's a reason of traffic. We humans have a delayed response time. When there's a huge traffic in a road, the delayed response time get accumulated, and that increase the response very significantly, decrease it. And if we use different AI softwares in these aspects, the response time will be significantly reduced, and thus there will be improved traffic management. AI softwares knew that which type of vehicles are in which range of our particular vehicle. So there will be improved safety in terms of collision avoidance, predictive management, and improved response time during emergencies. And these AI softwares can also inform the other drivers in the nearby region, if there are some accidents or different calamities that happen, so it will be also try to make sure that there will be less human loss. How AI will influence the industry? So we have already seen the autonomous robots. So different AI softwares will implement in automatic robots to change how we manufacture things. In usual sense, from past decades, we are using handmade things. Like in a supply chain, a worker do a particular job and is proficient in that job only. His only work there is to do that single repetitive task again and again for all the different things, all the different products that are manufactured there. That type of things are obviously take over by the robotic softwares, robotic devices that will do that thing in a very proficient manner with increased efficiency and precision, reducing human labor in production lines. Yeah, we know that in this sector there will be a huge job displacement. We are telling job displacement, not job loss, because there is not a loss of jobs. There is changing the aspect of job from doing that type of stuff initially we are doing to the new jobs will create where we need to manage that robotics. So yeah, the size of the job will reduce because to manage various different robots, there are not a lot of person to manage all those. A single or a small group of person who can easily handle that. But yeah, this is the thing. The pay will be increased, the hikes will be there in salaries and terms because there are more advancements in different skill sets. There will be predictive maintenance. The AI softwares can just look at the product and by using previous data and data analytics, machine learning, deep learning methods to predict that this product is in terms of quality very good or not. So they also help in quality control as well. In healthcare, I will soon change a lot. I can't replace artificial intelligence can't replace the human doctors because there is need of a human person because there are stakes of human life at risk, but it will assist the doctors in diagnosing various diseases in a pretty efficient way. We have different AI softwares that have a hell lot of data from past hundred of years of a particular disease and how its symptoms are. So by analyzing those systems and making a proper model, AI softwares can predict in advance that on listening and on seeing the symptoms of this particular person, what much percent is the chance that the person is affected by this particular disease. AI can predict this pretty well. This is one of the most important aspect of AI in healthcare. This is predictive diagnosing of diseases, which will also reduce the chances of fatal diseases because there is predictive diagnosing. There is a use of AI in finance also. We know about high frequency trading firms, HFTs. So automated trading firms use these AI and machine learning algorithms to analyze market trends from previous years and execute these and try to predict what and how the market will behave in the near future to trade. And we know that these high frequency trading firms using these AI and ML algorithms are producing a hell lot of capital. So these things are influencing the growth of AI in the financial sector. There's also fraud detection. We can use AI softwares to analyze the financial transactions of a person and try to detect that if the person is engaged in financial fraud or not. And we can help other persons by informing them prior that this person may be engaged in financial fraud, so try to have less financial activities with that account. So that will also help reduce the financial crimes that are happening and will increase the financial crimes if we are not use AI in that aspect, it will increase, because there's a huge shift of people from low tech advancements to high tech advancements, and there are various people which can take huge advantage of that people to gain financial money from them as a fraud. So that is we need to work upon to reduce. There's also ethical and societal aspects of AI softwares. Most affected segment is the job displacement and creation. That means the job market will changing a huge shift. It's taking a huge shift due to the coming of AI in the near future. It's not a job is going to remove completely. No, there will be a job displacement, that is changing of job from one sector to a newer sector that emerges with the AI. It already had done in the past also. When mobile phones have come, smartphones have come, the job market of radios, production of radios, speakers have reduced significantly. So that is the thing we need to know, that it is not the first time this is happening. It is happening from past decades. So we need to improve ourselves and have new technological advancements and skill sets to be ready for the newer segments. The newer job opportunities will come, and we need to reskill ourselves and educate ourselves to make sure that we are ready for the newer job segment. There are also some privacy issues because AI softwares are pretty well in detecting the human behavior on the basis of data. So it can be possible that any hacker or adversary can gather a lot of data about a person and then try to use AI softwares to promote data breaches and misuse it. So that is a thing we need to work upon, and we will further talk about it in the later section how we can address these issues. And there's also a problem of ethical AI deployments. We have already know that there are various deepfakes coming where people make video of other person doing some other stuff. So these type of unethical AI uses is very problematic, and we need to improve on it, make it a better design so that we can ensure that there is ethical AI deployment in the world. So how to overcome those problems we have covered in the previous section. So we need to work upon AI governance. We know that when the internet came, then there came a new IT laws. So also when AI is coming and try to cover up the whole segment, the new AI laws will also come. The AI governance and AI policies will also come. We need to have a proper regulatory framework and to how to use AI for ethical purposes, and try to make sure then there is no person misusing AI for their personal benefits such that they are harming other person data or things. We need to have a global collaboration in it, because AI is have data of complete world. It's not a one country that AI has a data of this country only. So the data that AI gathers makes it a whole fabric which covers the whole world. So we need to have a global collaboration to have a greater impact in terms of policies and address the global outlook. Let's have a future outlook of how AI will be in the future. So there is the artificial intelligence AI softwares are just in an emerging stage. There are various different research happening everywhere in terms of quantum technologies, neural networks, trying to make new machine learning and AI models. So that is the thing we are very optimistic about, that new things will come, and with more advancements and more technologies and more enhancements which will excel our human civilization. Where there are various collaborators and contributors in the segment, like various tech companies, tech giants like Google. We've already seen that Google has launched a or demonstrated a quantum chipset Quantum computing is a very different aspect. We will discuss it in a different video, but think about it. Quantum computers are a hell very, very, very faster as our traditional computers as compared to. So we need to make sure quantum computers can break all our encryptions that we are using in all the different segments, packing sectors, the encrypting the hard drives, encrypting data when it is moving in the internet. It can break all those in a couple of minutes, in a couple of seconds. So that is the thing we need to work upon, along with collaboration with different academic institutions and startups to make sure that we would develop a quantum encryption before the quantum computers come in the market. So AI integration is in various sectors is there. So there are various potential challenges also like job market displacement, jobs displacement, and data privacy issues. But the governance policies can be implemented to overcome these challenges. The long-term prospects of AI is very revolutionizing in terms of healthcare, finance, transportation with advancements of autonomous robotics, predictive analytics, and personalized services. So we need to prepare ourselves for the AI future that is coming. It's not the way that you are on the side of AI or opposite to it. You have to make your mind that AI will be coming in the near future. It's not that it will come or not. It is a question that when it will come. So it is a question of when, you need to prepare yourself first to get make sure that you have the proper skill set, the proper education, and you know the how to ethically use the AI services. We need to have public awareness programs and engagement programs. So here we comes to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's exploration in the world of science. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Remember, no question is too small, and every discovery is a step forward. Stay curious, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next one.